Here are a few hacks that will save you money. 1. Buy prescription drugs at Costco without a membership. Membership warehouse stores like Sam's Club and Costco have good prices on prescription drugs, and you don't have to be a member to buy them. So, take advantage of Costco's low prices on doctor-prescribed meds without shelling out $60 or more a year to join the club. 2. Call your auto insurance company. This is a simple process that can save you a ton of money, but it looks intimidating at first. It's not. All you need to do to start with is get a summary of your current auto insurance. Just pull out your most recent insurance policy, then go online and get a few quotes from other auto insurers for the same type of insurance. As you get quotes, they'll ask you a few questions, so just answer them based on your current policy. Collect those new quotes, then give your current insurer a call. Say you'd like to continue being a customer, but this other company is offering you this rate, which is quite a bit lower, and see what they can do. Most of the time, you'll get something close to or matching the lower competitor's rate, and you don't have to do much of anything. No paperwork, no changes, nothing. It's basically free money for a few minutes digging out your insurance package, half an hour of getting quotes online, and a few more minutes calling your insurer. It's easy money. You can do a similar thing with other types of insurance as well, such as homeowners insurance. 3. Get a lower interest rate with a balance transfer. If you've racked up high-interest credit card debt, you don't have to keep suffering. An easy way to cut costs and potentially save big is by doing a balance transfer to a low-interest card. 4. Ditch your low-interest savings account. If you're still using your first savings account, chances are you're getting a low interest rate. The current national average savings account interest rate is 0.05% annual yield, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. With a rate like that, you'd only earn about $12 on a $25,000 balance, which isn't much. Meanwhile, some high-yield savings accounts offer rates of 0.50% and higher. With that APY, if you deposit the same $25,000 and leave it there for a year, you'll earn about an extra $125 for doing nothing. Failing to open a high-interest savings account means you're saying no thanks to free money. And why would you do that? 5. Start a carpool with a friend or neighbor. If you have a regular commute with regular hours and you know anyone in your neighborhood that has the same commute with similar hours, talk to them about a carpool, even if it's an irregular one. Just simply have a conversation with this person about their commute and suggest sharing a ride on days when your schedule is similar. Maybe it works out every day, or every day but Fridays. Maybe it only works on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Even if it's just an occasional thing, if it's a regular thing, you'll both save money on gas and wear and tear on your car. 6. Make up a new email address and sign up for rewards cards with IT. Any store with a rewards program that you shop at more than once is a store where you should sign up for the rewards program. The only problem is spam. Many stores sell your email address to interested third parties, who then begin to send you stuff you don't want, and then your email address gets sold again and again, and before you know it, you have mountains of junk. As a solution, make up a new email address and use it for signing up for such programs. Make it something you'll easily remember, then sign up for an address over at Gmail. Then, whenever you sign up for a bonus program, use that false email. You should log in and check it every once in a while to make sure you've completed signups for your bonus programs. It's also not a bad idea to check it whenever you're about to shop at one of those stores, just to see if there's an email coupon right after your birthday, as many businesses send out birthday coupons. Doing this keeps your main email clean while allowing you to sign up for every customer rewards program under the sun. 7. Shop around for a new cell phone carrier. If you're at the end of your cell phone contract, you're at the perfect point to shop around for a new phone and a new carrier. Simply check in with a few competing carriers to see what they have on offer, get the details of their offer, and stop by your current carrier, assuming you're happy with them, and talk about the competing offers you're considering. Quite often, your current carrier will somehow manage to give you at least some, if not all, of the discounts they offer to new customers in order to keep you. With just that simple move, you don't have to change anything, but suddenly you have a cheap new phone, and likely a less expensive cell phone bill than you had before. 8. Every spring and fall, switch your ceiling fans to the correct seasonal setting. This is such a simple little trick that can save you a surprising amount on your energy bills. During the summer, your ceiling fans are more efficient if they're running clockwise, so that the blades are pushing down air in the center of the room and giving a breeze effect which cools the skin. During the winter, the reverse is true. You want to pull up air in the middle of the room and push the warm air on the ceiling over to the walls and downward without creating a breeze. So, in the fall, stand under your ceiling fan and see if the air is blowing down on you. If it is, flip the little directional switch on your ceiling fan. If it isn't, leave it alone. Do the reverse in the spring. That little trick will ensure that your ceiling fan is working in an optimal fashion for the season, keeping you cool in the summer and keeping you warm in the winter. 9. Carry cash. Research shows that if you pay in cash rather than with a credit card, you'll spend less. Take this tip one step further and only carry large bills like $50 or $100, which are hard to break. It'll keep you from making impulse purchases. 10. Do not use the shopping cart. When you run into the grocery store to pick up a few items, carry them in your arms instead of using a cart or basket. By forcing yourself to hold your purchases, you'll be less likely to buy things you didn't intend to buy and don't truly need. 11. Ask for free upgrades. Don't book them in advance. Use this trick to upgrade your vacation for free. Reserve a standard rental car or hotel room, and then politely ask for a free upgrade when you arrive. If one is available, it's usually a pretty easy score. 12. Be prepared for unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises. There will come a time when your car breaks down, your pet needs to visit the vet, or you have an unexpected house repair. To help prepare for these types of expenses, set up emergency funds in your budget each month. An emergency fund is a savings account you set up for expenses that you know are going to occur eventually. 13. Remove your credit card and debit card information from online store websites. Online shopping has made it so easy and convenient to spend money these days. You can literally buy something with just a click of a button on Amazon. To help curb impulse spending, remove all of your debit card and credit card information from the websites and online stores where you like to shop. The extra step of grabbing your wallet and pulling out your debit card might just keep you from going through with the purchase altogether. This is one budget and money hack that will keep extra money in your checking account. 14. Let items sit in your cart for a few days when shopping online. If you're anything like me, then you're guilty of buying things online without even thinking about it. Chances are you found a way to justify the purchase saying that you needed it. Next time you're tempted to buy something online, let the item sit in your cart for at least 3 days. I'm guessing you won't even want the item after 3 days. And if you do still want it, work it into your next budget. Also, most online retailers might give you a discount on the product to make you purchase it, saving you some money. 15. Make saving money automatic. One of the easiest budget and money hacks is to set up automatic withdrawals for your savings. Instead of forcing yourself to save money every single month, have it done for you. You can have money directly withdrawn from your paycheck or withdrawn the day after you get paid. Over time, you won't even notice that the money is missing. This is perfect if you want to contribute more money to a Roth IRA or a separate savings account.